Hey guys, crypto episode 71. Very volatile week this week. Ended up 13,000 in the green. Pretty good, but quick look at the sort of week's graph. Shows you it's been very rough. So sort of good start to the week, and then sort of trailed off during the week. But yeah, ended up sort of 13 in the green. Some big news sort of towards the end of the week and in the last couple of days. So the big upgrade that I mentioned a while ago, Taproot, is now active. So this provides sort of some incremental privacy and efficiency upgrades, but also sort of gives the potential for smart contracts. They're sort of saying these will be cheaper and sort of more efficient. Don't know really whether this is going to push sort of much pressure on Ethereum. I think Ethereum's still sort of the better platform for smart contracts. Sort of had one of my other tokens, Internet Computer, attempting to sort of bridge the gap and enable smart contracts on Bitcoin. So not entirely sure how it'll affect them. But yeah. It seems a nice upgrade, not contentious, everyone agrees with it, and yeah, should be positive for the space. On the negative side, it's kind of expected, the SEC rejected VanEck's physical ETF, so they've sort of said, pretty much hinted before they were happy with futures ETFs, and they've approved two. But there was always a small possibility that as they've gone well, maybe they would approve a physical ETF. VanEck sort of being one of the big names. They started the first gold ETF. So yeah, it was an outside chance. Market doesn't seem to be particularly bothered by it. Price is sort of slightly higher than before the news even was announced. So, yeah, not too much to see here. There's sort of other physical ETFs in application. Presumably they would get rejected as well from sort of various companies. ARK Invest even, BlockFi, one of the lending platforms, have applied for one. But yeah, if they're rejecting one, you presume at this sort of time they would reject any of them. But maybe next year, we'll see. So looking at the portfolio, it's a real mixed bag this week. Bitcoin up 4.8%. That sort of provided a fair bit of the gain, being a large position. Ethereum sort of had a slightly worse week, 1.6%, but did sort of reach all-time highs earlier in the week, same as Bitcoin. Cardano sort of had a huge spike earlier in the week, but it's come right back down again and up just over 3%. OMG Network down 30. So it seems people were sort of bidding this up in anticipation of the airdrop. So there's a token being airdropped to all holders. The snapshot has taken place now, so people are able to sell their coins and still receive the airdrop. So it seems people are doing that. But yeah, sort of on the monthly, it is still down, to be fair. But yeah, I'm still fairly happy with them. Litecoin has done a bit better, 27%. I haven't seen much of any news on this to cause this, but yeah, seems fair enough. XRP, not too bad, 88p. It's not loading though. XLM, Stellar, up 3%. Again, sort of spiked during the week. XRP, 3.5% up, so not too bad. Basic Attention token had pretty good week, 17.5%. This seems to be off the back of partnering with the Solana blockchain. So Solana's sort of one of the big coins at the moment, top 10, top 5, I think even. So, yeah, the partnership with that should sort of enable more attention. And TRON, 8% up, pretty good. Haven't seen any news on that. New Cipher, 15% up. This seems to be their merger with the Keep network. Seems like the Keep network has received the bigger bump. I think it's up sort of 40 or 50%, but the two are merging, so that seems good. EOS, 11% up. No real news to speak of on that. Power Ledger down 5%. Yeah, a lot of the sort of small caps seem to be down. Dash had a pretty good week, 18%. Couldn't see any real notable news for that. Internet Computer, 3% down. Yeah, I think all the rest of these pretty much are down. 2% up on Quantstamp. 4% down on Band. 4% down on Anchor. 5% up on Kogos. And then 6% down on Audius. So this got into the 160s sort of earlier in the week. And I had sort of £500 as a sort of weekly deposit. Not every week, but yeah, decided to top up on Audius. So I've got 535 Audius now. So yeah, that was where the deposit went this week. And yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. So pushing 14,000 up now on the week. So pretty happy with that. See what next couple of weeks brings. Does look like maybe Plan B's optimistic target of $98,000 Bitcoin for the end of the month maybe not coming to fruition, but we'll see. If we get that sort of rise in the next couple of weeks, then I'll be a happy man and I'll be cashing out a fair bit. So yeah, leave your thoughts in comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.